Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a video on Latisse for you guys. I thought it would definitely be a fun little experiment to try during these times of quarantine where we're stuck inside and nowhere to go. At least I could come out of quarantine with something, come out with some darker, longer, thicker lashes. And from some of the things that I've read online, there were a lot of positive reviews on how well this product works. So I'm really excited to try it out, and you should start to see some growth between 1 to 2 weeks after you start using the product. And once you get to that desired length, then you'll only need to apply it 1 to 2 times weekly. So next I'm going to show you the product and how it is applied. So this is how the package comes. I have the 3 ml vial, so that is gonna last you about 2 to 3 months, and then it also comes in a 5 ml, which will last you about 4 to 5 months, and the 3 ml runs about 165, and your 5 runs about 200. So the price is pretty comparable for those who are doing the tint and curl and for people who are getting their lashes filled. For me, this will probably be something that I can keep up with better. I don't have all the time in the world to be getting my lashes filled, and I just think that this could easily become part of my skincare routine, just an easy at night application. So this is something I'm going to be doing at night, and you're going to want to be doing to freshly cleansed face, no makeup, no creams, nothing on your eyes, and you do not want to have your contacts in. So this is your first product to be going on, and I will show you inside. So it comes with, if I can get it open, it comes with your 3, I don't know how many days are in here. So your applicators, let's see if it says 60 disposable applicators. So you will have a package like this, and you will get 2 brushes inside, so 1 for each eye. And then the product comes in a sealed bottle like this. Alright, so I just broke off a package of the 2 applicators, and I'm going to open that up. And then I'm going to take the product, the Latisse, and I am going to put 1 drop. It's coming. Ooh, drop off in the cap. And then I'm going to take one of my brushes, and you don't need a lot of product, and more product is not going to make your eyelashes grow any quicker. So I'm just going to take a little dab of that, and that just absorbed onto the brush, and you can't even really tell that it's on there. And I'm just going to, maybe I'm going to get myself a mirror. I'm just going to drag it along the top lash line. And you just want to make sure the top lash line is where you're putting it. That is all it's recommended for. And then I'm done with that one. So I'm going to put another drop in the cap. Give it a little shake, and it went off. And then I'm going to take my second applicator, dip it in there, and it absorbed the product. And then I'm just going to go along the top lash line of this lash. And these are the only tools you want to be using to apply the Latisse. They come in a sterile plastic container. You want to avoid any kind of contamination if you don't want to use your finger or a makeup brush or anything else, because you don't want an infected eye right now. So that was that. That was so simple, so easy. Alright, so that was easy as that, and now I just wait. I have all the time in the world to sit and wait for this to take effect. It's kind of funny the way that they discovered Latisse was the medical ingredient in it. One of the medical ingredients was used for patients with glaucoma, so they were noticing that they were getting longer, thicker, darker eyelashes as they were using the medicine. So it's kind of funny that that was how it was discovered. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video informative and helpful, and hopefully you guys will try out Latisse too during this quarantine time and come out of it with some nicer lashes. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Hope you are all staying safe, and I will see you guys again soon.